The nomination window for Club 3633 closes in under 2 weeks on April 30th. Are you innovating in your part of the tire industry? Do you know somebody who is? Sure you do! It's time to nominate them for Tire Review's Club 3633, our elite industry club of movers and shakers. Club 3633 honors those in the tire industry who continue to push forward. Is that you? Someone you work with? Of course it is. R&D, manufacturing, distribution, tire dealers, you all shape the industry in some way. It's time to recognize these people by nominating them for this year's Club 3633 class. Selected Club 3633 2025 class members will be profiled in the June edition of Tire Review. Just look at how nice some of these profiles look. Nomination is super easy and quick. Just go to tirereview.com, click on the hamburger menu, and follow the link to Club 3633. Click the link to enter, then boom! Before you know it, you've nominated yourself or someone you know. In 5 minutes or less, you've given someone the chance to be awarded for their contributions to this fine industry of ours. Do you know someone transforming the industry? Maybe that someone is you. If so, time is running out to nominate them or yourself for the 2025 Club 3633 class. Nominations close in under 2 weeks on April 30th, so make sure you act quickly and nominate someone today.